Hello everyone and welcome to our German language learning journey. In today's video, we are going to learn alphabets in German. So are you excited? Let's get started. The German alphabets are not at all different from the English alphabets. They are just pronounced differently and they have 4 more characters than English. In today's video, we are going to learn about German alphabets and basic rules of pronunciation. In order to practice them, please repeat after me. Das Alphabet means the alphabet in English. We start with the letter A, which is pronounced as A in German. A, A. B sounds like B, B. C is C, C. And D is D, D. E in German pronounced as A, A. F is F, just like in English, F, F. G is pronounced as G, G. H is Ha, Ha. And I is E, E. The letter J pronounced like J in German, J. K sounds like K, K. L is L, L. M is M, M. N is N, N. And O is O. Have you noticed that the letter L, M, N, O pronounced just as the same way they pronounce in English? The letter P is pronounced as P, P. Q is Q, Q. R is R, R. Very much different than the English R. And the letter S is S. But please keep in mind that most of the time S pronounced as Z in German, Z. T is pronounced as T, T. U is U, U. And the letter V is V, V. Very much different than the English one. W sounds like V, V. And X is X, X. While in German is like Epsilon, Epsilon. And the letter Z pronounced like Set, Set. Now it's time for the special German alphabets. A umlaut, which pronounced as A, A. O umlaut, pronounced as I, I. And U umlaut, which pronounced as I, I. And finally, this letter, which looks like a beta sign, which sounds like etc, etc, and it gives us a sound of double S. That's the German alphabet in a nutshell. Now it's time to revise them together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, E, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A umlaut, A. O umlaut, U. U umlaut, U. Accent. Please keep in mind that German alphabet has 30 characters, 26 characters from English, plus A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut and etc. E in German sounds like A in English. I in German sounds like E in English. J has the sound of Y. V has the sound of F. W has the sound of V. SZ in German sounds like double S in English. And no letter begins with SZ. Danke! Thank you for joining me on this language learning adventure. If you enjoyed this lesson, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more German language content.